Designing main engineering really does take a long time, so we continue doing that, getting up refineries, specialised refineries, and assemblers, as well as catwalks in this episode of Space Engineers. Alright, Jacobin is running right back up to... Why is his helmet on again?
Unit is having problem with helmet.
Where is he? I'm gonna pry the open with my grinder. Oh, we gotta change the LCD because I died.
Oh, yes. And we've got to change the episodes without incident, so we've got to add another death to you. And how many episodes did we not change it in?
This unit is in distress.
2. Jacobin's sending out an SOS.
Let me pry that helmet open for you. It won't hurt much.
Alright, so it's episodes without incident is... Oh, well now it's gone to 1, hasn't it? Did you die in the last episode?
I died in the last episode.
So it's 0. Episodes without injury, 0. Exia is now up to 4.
Yay. I'm tied with that trick. Fortunately.
Wow, I forgot what topside looks like.
Spent so long downstairs.
Yeah, I've forgotten what topside looks like. I forgot we've got a drill thing and a supersized cargo container and a hole that goes down to the center of the earth and and I forgot we've got our lowrider as well. All right, back downstairs we go.
Oh, what happened to all the stone that was in here?
It kept popping it out. Remember? Jacobin made the system where it just throws stone out.
Oh, all those resources.
Yeah. Okay, so Jacobin's going to continue forward on this, I guess. I need to get more steel plates.
I guess power generation. Do we want it on the the cargo floor or floor underneath the refinery?
It should probably be on the cargo floor, right? Or I don't know. Or unless we want to do it on this floor as well. So we'll have the refinery, we'll have specialized refineries, and further down we have power generation. Oh, no. I know where I wanted to put power generation. Follow me. I feel like I'm leading someone around the crystal maze.
Where'd
I wanted
go?
up top. I wanted to turn some of this area into power generation. Top side.
A topside centralized power generation would be an easy target for anyone who would want to destroy our power source.
Yeah, and since I believe we're going to be adding NPCs that can shoot.
That's also true. The only reason I'm saying that is because of where the solar panels and everything are. Up top. So unless... Or if we're going to do it, then I want it down below around the same area. So it's just, you know...
Well, battery banks and reactor of some...
Yeah, so then that can be on the floor below around here then. On the floor below.
Or further down for safety reasons.
Or the floor below that. Whichever one we want. But then it's going to be on this side, so yeah. So that's where I'm thinking I want it. Ore detector. That's going to have to stay topside. We'll keep that topside. Obviously, we don't want to make it so that there's nothing up here. And the reactor obviously...
minimal stuff that will actually hurt us.
Well, I'm thinking all the engineering stuff goes down below, then all the cargo containers can go down below. Up here we'll have a couple of cargo containers, but we have a very nice area up here.
I'd recommend...
And a command and control center up here as well.
Parking slots, landing bays.
Yep, and a command and control center, stuff like that.
We already have our replacement med bay over here that can probably be moved indoors.
Well, this will all become indoors. That's why I started putting these up. So this is all going to become indoors. So we'll have windows and everything. I'm thinking of making these corridors, you see. Yeah, I'm thinking all of this will become corridors. Sorry, needed to paint it to something. There we go. Oh, but this has moved, hasn't it? So it's going to go like that now. Unless I want to just make that go straight across, which I could, but I'll do that because I'm awkward. Okay, Jacoby, do you want to continue with your excavation? Or...
Affirmative.
Alright, so if I go down there and make sure I've got steel plates ready... hang on a second. Whoa!
Smoothing out the hole.
Smooth. Oh, that's a bigger hole than I thought there was. That's actually made a really large hole on the opposite side. This conveyor was just sort of sitting in mid-air. Or floating in mid-air. Right, there we go. And then I should be able to connect those up. That's a whole line. And you there. Could really go a lot further out now. There we go. I'm going to run out of hydrogen at some point. And I'm not going to know when because I don't have my HUD up.
That could be a problem.
I would recommend enabling your HUD.
I know, but it looks better without it. So I have to guess how much, or just every now and then quickly
Think
check
of it
and
like
remember.
a helmet heads-up display.
That's true. If I get rid of... No, I want to get rid of all the signals. How do I get rid of all the signals? There was a way to get rid of the signals.
I
GPS.
believe. No, there's a button which you can press.
There it
which
is.
will
Got
go
it.
through
Got it. Signals are gone. That works a little bit better. It's H, but you have to press it a couple of times, yeah. H
It
for...
will cycle through different things.
Yeah, H for signals.
Did you request peace with the civilian faction?
No.
This faction is proposing a peace treaty to our faction.
Okay, so there are AI in this game.
I believe it's an automated faction.
Yeah, it's like the space pirates that...
It's
Ah.
basically for ownership, I believe.
Ooh, I just did a Minecraft.
What?
I managed
Left
to
click
place
instead
a...
of right click.
No, I managed to place a block on another block without actually falling off.
I thought you said,
and I've done it again.
Kind of creeper.
So I don't have to actually I don't actually have to move blocks, and I don't have to use my hydrogen pack. Oh, that's lovely. It's finicky, but it's doable. Oh, perfect. I wonder if that was an update that they've done that they allow you to actually do that now. Or we've just figured it out.
Or you're desynced and you're soon to fall down.
No, it's difficult to do it. It's not like I'm just moving forward and I'm still, you know, I'm like right on the edge. And I could tell that if I move a step further, I'm going to be off the edge. Right. Oh, I can also start building this up. Look at this. That's not right. Right. Data's waiting for some blocks.
This unit is not called data, and would request that you stop calling me data.
Replicator?
Yeah, but then the joke data blocks wouldn't have worked.
Let there be some light.
Oh, I can't do it anymore. Oh, no, I can. I can.
I wonder if we should put a welder on the other side of that and just put a bunch of steel...
That would be
steel-
funny. On the front there's a drill, on the back there's a welder. How far are we going to go this way?
I don't know. But on the upside is the refinery's almost built.
Ah, that one, the single one that we're going to leave running and hopefully not have to move.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's going to be better than the one up top. We don't... At least we can start connecting it up through conveyors and stuff.
Jacoby, I truly do hate your drill cargo output.
Is there any particular reason why?
Because there's components, there's stuff in there I keep trying to get. Without realizing it's not connected.
Well, a lot of things overground are connected to the network.
This looks brilliant. I'm just going to take a photo of this because it's like you're making a tube tunnel. I don't know whether you can see this, Jacobine.
I don't have a good view since I'm getting it from the
Hit
level of the map.
Hit F8 real quick.
It really looks like you've made a tube tunnel here. And we're actually laying out lines for the tube.
Oh, gadgets. I know how. I think one of our videos we were discussing railroads and such.
Yes, about Amtrak always being late and waiting for your freight trains.
Well, I have one because I got called for a train last night. We waited in the yard office in the break room for 6 hours for the power to arrive.
The power?
The locomotives.
Oh, right, okay. I was going to say, well, I'm familiar with that term. Okay. 6 hours you waited for the locomotives?
Yeah.
That's a bit of a wait.
There are no other trains, so...
Ah. Jacobine, you can continue forward at will. Well, not at will, because you won't find Will, but,
So, done.
What, refinery?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we need to figure out how to temporarily hook it up. I suppose we just hook it up from up there.
Why don't you try and hook it up permanently?
Yeah.
Because we don't know whether it's... Well, I suppose let's put it in, assuming it's going to be a permanent fixture. But then make sure we've planned out that for the other ones then. So I suppose each refinery should have a conveyor above it, or one of the junctions. No, yes, that's it, the four-way. But then can we not put that down the middle? Oh no, because it's 2, not 3. Ah, blast.
No, there's a four-way.
No, I meant the corridor is 2, not 3. We really need to start working in odd numbers so that things match up nicely. I guess we could move the other refineries all over one and make this a 3-wide corridor. In which case, Jacobine's little drone would actually fit through if we needed it.
Yeah, so we can just move. I'm not just deconstructing this one.
No, I meant the other side. Yeah, that's the other side. We're not moving that side. You know,
and
the way this is going, I just want to have this drone just continue tunneling forever.
I would if I could.
It looks great. It genuinely looks great.
We can also use this kind of drone for actual mining.
So, gadgets.
Yes.
Go in spectator and watch it. Watch the tube he's making.
Sorry? You're
Go into spectator mode and look at the tube.
It's like a worm.
It's like the London Underground. This is like the tube. It literally looks like the tube.
And that's also quite a bit of open space below this.
Yes, I have noticed that as well. I'm not sure what to do with that.
We could use that as conveyor access.
So,
okay, we'll have conveyors underneath too. Yes.
So, have you noticed what's on the side of the tube?
On the side of the tube. More magnesium?
Our massive magnesium deposit.
Yeah, more magnesium. I've noticed that.
It's going up the hill.
This magnesium deposit just... Don't tell me this magnesium deposit goes all the way towards that uranium and gold.
I don't know. That'd be wonderful.
Because we definitely saw magnesium from there, didn't we? This is what we call progress. I think, in all honesty, I think we're probably far enough along. Wouldn't you say?
I think that would stop the tunnel there for right now, and then let's start building.
Sounds good.
Now the question is, do we want to just build refineries off the side of this? Do we want to wall it up properly? I guess we do want to wall it up properly. As nice as the stone looks, I guess we really should wall it up properly.
If the tunnel was all magnesium, I would say otherwise, but no.
Yeah, we'll wall it up properly. Either side, put the refinery in. So, right, how's this going to run? So we've gone along through there. So we've got a wall on this one. That's going to be an extra line. Should I start putting this extra? Yeah, I'll start putting these in. Oh, we can't get them on some of them. Oh, they're going this way. That's odd. Yeah, Jacobine, if you want, you should probably come down here and have a look at your masterpiece.
Oh, wait, I'll need...
Currently reversing the rover drone thing.
The thing.
The thing.
Should we make it orange and call it Ben?
That was a B.
I think I am going to need energy, so I'm going to do that. It hasn't told me, but I think I am going to need some, so...
You should probably check.
It's okay. This is a really good view for a thumbnail. So that's going to be a thumbnail. The rover's reversing. I can see this huge tunnel. You're welding. There's a collector, and then I'm sitting in a command chair. That is brilliant. No, how do I get out of this chair? F, that's it. Okay. Let's see how much steel has been made.
Oh, I need to go back one more, damn.
What's happened?
No,
Okay, so I tried to get some steel plates out of that drill cargo output thing. Oh yes, you need to go back further because of the wall.
You go back one.
Yeah, because these are going. Yeah. Right, so the rest of this episode is just going to be spent welding. You know what we should do? We should probably go and make ourselves one of those super welders. Because right now we've got a level 1 welder, haven't we, all of us? Wouldn't a level 3 welder just be extremely quick?
It would be extremely quick, but it wouldn't have a larger radius.
No, but, I mean, still, if it's extremely quick, it means instead of us wait... How long does it take? Hold on. 1, 2, 3... 3 seconds? Would it take a second, maybe?
We need platinum for it.
Bother. Right, well, we'll just have to deal with 3 seconds.
That resource we do not have.
I don't even know where to find platinum. I don't think you'll find it on a planet. Yeah, I was going to say...
You don't find it on the terrestrial planet.
Great.
Or if you do, you'll find it in very small quantities in those rocks on the surface.
Oh, wait, maybe our stone crusher might give us some platinum.
It will, but in minuscule
It'll be
amounts.
trace, yeah, it'll be trace amounts, but... In that case, you know what you should do, Exia?
Put the stone
Yeah.
module on the refinery.
Why don't we just do that? We've got stone. Why don't we just turn that into something that's going to try and convert stone into a whole bunch of stuff? Okay, this is happening slowly. And I'm out of it again. Are you still backing up the drill?
No, drill has
No.
already been backed up.
Okay.
I'm currently disassembling the drill the large drill.
Oh, right, yep. So that explains why that large drill suddenly has 516 steel plates in it.
Yes.
I want you. Okay. So if this becomes a single wide corridor, lots of... Yeah, we've got lots of space. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is a wall. Right, this one here is a wall, so I'm just going to... Nope, don't do that. That one. Here's some stone. No, steel plates. This is a wall. Okay, that's a wall, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, so we need another one here, so that's where the wall's going to go. Okay. That gives us lots of space to put stuff. Fantastic. What do you call it? Do these specialized refineries have yield modules on them?
Nope, it is the same model as the arc furnace. So what you get is what you get.
Lovely, because their footprint's 1, isn't it?
Yep, one by 2.
Look, we could put one here on a specialized refinery. We could put a specialized refinery here, walkway, another refinery, wall. So we could have 2 rows of refineries if we really wanted.
And I believe the conveyor ports, yes, the
Should be at
conveyor
the
port
top.
is on the bottom.
On the bottom. Okay, then we're going to have to go underneath and loop them around somehow. So Jacobine's idea of using this spare. Go on.
So this is the model. It's actually going through. It's at the lowest block right here.
Where is it? So the
here's
port is
one
down
port.
there. Right.
And the other port comes out the back.
Okay, in that case, we run conveyors down the back.
Yeah,
Backing
conveyors,
up.
and then
Yeah.
we can even stack.
Yeah, we'll just
Or,
do conveyors
stack
and
back.
yeah, we'll just do conveyors and then up. If this is going to be a wall. Oh no, hang on. No, so if we bring the arc furnace forward 1. Yeah, so if we brought it
Or
there,
just have them dual.
or we double them. Yeah. And then we'll have a conveyor out here just going out the back. What I was looking for, what I was hoping for is maybe if we have some walking space, but so sort of like what we've got around each refinery, we can actually get to the back of the refineries.
But the way these are designed, once they're built,
No, I was just looking at aesthetics, really.
oh yeah.
What if we did block them 1, 2? Let's say we put them in blocks of 4, groups of 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then conveyors at the back, and then walking, and then a wall. Yeah, I didn't mean I meant single, so 1 by 4.
Oh.
So you've got 2, yeah, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Conveyors at the back, going straight up, and then some walking space at the back.
So that.
So it'd be... Yeah, I'm going to take this one down. So it'd be, yeah, across there. So basically from what you've got there, yep, exactly like that. Conveyors straight at the back here. And then we've got... Oh. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. We'd have to...
No, this won't work either.
No, but what if... Oh no, we still can't get to them though. What if we were to turn it around? And then we can't get to the front. if we were to turn it around and then have conveyors running through here, but then they're too low. I'd want them up there.
The other thing is we can embed it in the.
Here's an idea. Here's a really interesting idea. That's an idea. I was going to say, if we've got that, what if the conveyors were down there and we built steps up and then walkway across and then steps down, just catwalk.
Yeah, we can do that, or embed them in the floor.
Yeah, whichever one. I like the idea of going up and down, but then I also like the idea of these being quite small.
We have options.
Jacobin, what do you think?
I haven't seen it yet. I'll be there in a second. I'm currently moving things out of the drill's cargo output.
Okay.
Because HR sent one too many complaints.
Yes.
Yes, steel plates.
I'm just about to do... Are you about to try what I'm about to try?
So what do you...
Hang on a second. I need to work out what these things need. Girder? How do I get girders?
You build them.
Where am I supposed to... do we have any?
Nope.
Oh, yes, we do. We have 208 of them.
Yeah, they're for windows and I believe a couple of other things.
Catwalks.
Yes. And I think we've already got some catwalks somewhere in the facility, so...
So this is what I'm thinking. 9. No, 9. There we go. Hey, what did I just do?
You placed something down, and I believe that lagged out a bit.
Yeah, I made a boo-boo. There we go. What do you think, Ixia?
Oh, let me get this last block and then I'll be down. Oh, yeah, that can work.
I think that kind of just looks a bit cool. I'm actually going to finish building these up, or at least get them... What do they need some construction components. I just want to see what these end up looking like.
It's going to get very expensive down here for the hookup, so...
Probably, yeah. Oh, I like the look of this.
That is a lot of vertices.
Sorry?
Sorry, a lot of triangles, which means it's more likely to be a bit more graphically intensive than ever.
That's fine.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine.
Same.
That looks great.
Because those meshes are 3D.
That's fine. That looks great. That does.
Who needs
vertex.
Who needs sim speed?
Well...
I don't think those meshes are 3D.
They are.
Are you sure?
Maybe not those ones, but the ones that are part of regular platforms, they're 3D. They're tubes.
Are they?
They are a series of very, very small tubes. They're not a mesh. They are a mesh, but they're not a texture mesh. If that makes sense.
Yeah, that's not. They're not a normal map. It's
Yeah,
not a
I'd
normal
say,
map with a. Yeah, the stairs ones aren't. The stair ones are a normal map.
Well, yeah. The stairs meshes are meshes.
Are you sure?
Regular catwalks meshes are not meshes.
I
Well,
don't
they
think the
have-
stairs ones are meshes. They look flat.
A mesh is a 2D plane.
No, I meant. Yeah. It's. Oh, I thought you were talking about a 3D mesh.
No.
I'm talking about that's a flat.
These ones are 2D.
Yes.
These ones are 3D.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. If it starts lagging out, we'll find a replacement for it.
Okay.
But I think that looks really quite cool. Then we could put conveyors at the bottom. So if we put run
Is that the
conveyors...
conveyor output of the block?
Yep.
Yep.
Right.
well, preferred it on the bottom, but
Yeah, or at the top.
So how do these platinum refineries work?
I think you put platinum in and you get platinum out.
Where are we
Yeah.
going to get platinum?
No idea.
it was just a placeholder. So that was the model of them.
Yeah, we just
Right.
wanted to have a look at
Okay.
how this is going to pan out. We're going to take this down because we're going to properly sort it out, but I think that's a nice idea. And that is also the end of this episode. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Space Engineers. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe to catch more episodes. If you have not yet done so, please follow me on Twitch at www.twitch.tv/ecgadget, and please consider also supporting me on Patreon, www.patreon.com/ecgadget. Lastly, please do follow or subscribe to all the other players in this series. Channel links to the channels for Vectrix, Snaggles, Carter and Jacobine will be in the description box below, as will the links to my Patreon and Twitch. Once again, thank you, and we shall see you soon in Space Engineers.